Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables in pots or other small spaces. Just a quick update video on my citrus. I was able to overwinter my citrus here at the new house in a warm spot next to the house with actually just 2 small grow lights. The citrus did very, very well, except for near the end where I missed a week watering. And the leaves did dry up quite a bit on some of the plants. But as you can see, we're into July and they're all recovering beautifully. Right here we have the blood orange, and that is substantially bigger than maybe when you saw it last. We've got the kumquat, and the kumquat has flowers all over the branches, so I'm really hoping to see fruit for the first time. This is the grapefruit, which I've had since it was only about 6 inches tall. It is the tallest plant that I own now by a hair, and recovering from the winter fairly nicely. We did have a bit of a scale outbreak, but I was able to manage that by squishing them with my fingers. Not a pleasant task. I'll show you in a future video how you can get rid of scale in a clean and easy way. Here is my limequat. Again, we're seeing beautiful growth, flowers starting on the branches. We have a nice west, somewhat south-facing spot here, so the citrus are pretty happy. And then here is the Meyer lemon. The Meyer lemon's got a lemon hanging off the back. We actually had a big harvest after winter, and it is just in recovery mode right now. I'm expecting to see some flowers probably sprout up in the next couple of months. This has always been a reliable citrus tree for me. Very, very happy. So that's just a quick update video on the citrus. I will be sharing future tips and tricks in additional videos, but I just wanted to give you an update on where my citrus are at this season.